Hello and welcome everyone. If there's one universal truth about stretching, it's that we all should do it.
Yet few of us actually do. Fitness experts say it's the part of a workout that most people tend to skip. It can make a difference in how your muscles respond to exercise. Stretching warms your muscles, and warm muscles are more pliant. Why stretching is important? Stretching keeps the muscles flexible, strong, and healthy, and we need that flexibility to maintain a range of motion in the joints. Without it, the muscles shorten and become tight. Then, when you call on the muscles for activity, they are weak and unable to extend all the way. That puts you at risk for joint pain, strains, and muscle damage.
For example, sitting in a chair all day results in tight hamstrings in the back of the thigh. That can make it harder to extend your leg or straighten your knee all the way, which inhibits walking. Likewise, when tight muscles are suddenly called on for a strenuous activity that stretches them, such as playing tennis, they may become damaged from suddenly being stretched. Injured muscles may not be strong enough to support the joints, which can lead to joint injury. Regular stretching keeps muscles long, lean, and flexible, and this means that exertion won't put too much force on the muscle itself, says Nolan. Healthy muscles also help a person with balance problems to avoid falls. 1. The best time to stretch is after exercise, when your muscles are warm. It's safer to stretch a warm muscle, and warm muscles are more relaxed and have greater range of motion. However, walking briskly or jogging for 5 minutes until you break a light sweat is a sufficient warm-up for stretching. In a perfect world, you'll stretch a few minutes into and after your workout. Static stretching. Stretch a specific muscle until you feel tension and then hold the position for 15 to 60 seconds. This is considered the safest way to stretch done gently. It allows muscles and connective tissue time to reset the stretch reflex. Stretch a specific muscle until you feel tension, and then hold the position for just 1 or 2 seconds. Often you must use a rope or your hands to get a muscle to its stretching point. Because you don't force the muscle to stay contracted, the muscle that's being worked actually stays relaxed. However, critics warn of the risk of overstretching, especially if using a rope. If stretching is painful, you're going too far. Instead, move into a stretch and stop when you feel tension. Breathe deeply while you hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Then relax and repeat the stretch, trying to move a little bit further into it during the second stretch. Most experts now agree that holding a stretch for 15 to 30 seconds is sufficient. The effect of stretching. Stretching once today won't magically give you perfect flexibility. You'll need to do it over time and remain committed to the process. It may have taken you many months to get tight muscles, so you're not going to be perfectly flexible after 1 or 2 sessions, says physical therapist David Nolan of Massachusetts General Hospital. It takes weeks to months to get flexible, and you'll have to continue working on it to maintain it. The hamstring stretch will keep the muscles in the back of your thigh flexible. Sit on the floor with your legs in front of you. Slide your hands down your legs until you feel a burning sensation. Hold for 30 seconds, then slowly return to a sitting position. Benefits of stretching. 1. Increases your flexibility. 2. Increases your range of motion. 3. Improves your performance in physical activities. 4. Increases blood flow to your muscles. 5. Improves your posture. 6. Helps to heal and prevent back pain. 7. Is great for stress relief. 8. Can calm your mind. 9. Helps decrease tension headache. The most common forms of stretches are static and dynamic. Static stretches involve holding a stretch in a comfortable position for a period of time, typically between 10 and 30 seconds. This form of stretching is most beneficial after you exercise. Dynamic stretches are active movements that cause your muscles to stretch, but the stretch is not held in the end position. These stretches are usually done before exercise to get your muscles ready for movement. Whether you're new to exercise or a seasoned athlete, you can benefit from a regular stretching routine. By incorporating 5 to 10 minutes of dynamic and static stretches into your daily workout, you can increase your range of motion, improve your posture, and ease your mind.